this video I'll be showing you how to get the face tracking on Roblox. So let me show you let me show you the demo first. So you have to enable these two options to get the face tracking, but to get these options you need to do one thing more. So let me show you the face tracking. So if I move my head down, you can see that it's synced with my avatar head. If I move my head left, you can see that the movement is syncing with the avatar's movement. So how to enable this face tracking? Fine. So to get this, first of all we need to get out of this game. Let's come out of this game, and once you out, now you have to go to settings. So tap on three dot, and now you have to go to settings. In settings we have to go to privacy. In privacy, guys, you have to scroll down and you will see this option here, what is called this camera input. So you have to enable this camera input to get this face tracking. So it will use your camera, it will basically use the camera to animate your avatar with your movement. So the green dot indicates that the Roblox is using your camera. So once you enable this option, guys, basically you will get the face tracking on in any game that supports the camera as communication. So just come out of this game, come out of the settings. Now you have to look for any game that support as camera in communication. So let me show you how to check. So open any game and go into details, and you will see this in communication. You will see that it supports microphone and camera. So now you can play this game to check your face tracking. So so you don't need to verify your age to get this face tracking. You just need to enable it without any verification. So now you just need to tap on this camera icon and you will get this face tracking immediately. Fine. So if you add the animation phase, you will get the animation or you will, if you enable the voice chat, you will get the voice tracking as well. So on this account, I didn't verify my age, so I have no voice chat on this account. So I'll show you in the next video. If you want to know, or if you want the video on that, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, bye bye.